Hi everyone, in this video we're going to introduce something called tabular integration. So tabular integration is a very fast way of doing problems that normally require integration by parts. So it's extremely useful and extremely powerful, and I highly recommend that you use tabular at all costs. Even if the problem says use parts, just use tabular anyways if you can. So let me give you a couple examples where you can use tabular. So here's an example. The integral of x squared times e to the x. That's an example of an integral where you could use tabular. So before I explain why, I'm going to give you another example. X cubed cosine 3x. And let me give you one more. X to the fifth sine x. So all three of these integrals can be done really quickly using tabular. Why? Well, one of the pieces, in this case x squared, in this case x cubed, in this case x to the fifth, you have x to a power. So after repeated differentiation, it's eventually 0. So like x squared, you take the derivative, you get 2x. You take the derivative, you get 2. Take the derivative, you get 0. So eventually, this thing is 0 after repeated differentiation. Likewise, after repeated differentiation, x cubed is 0. After repeated differentiation, this is 0. So that's one of the requirements. One of the factors has to be 0 eventually. The other requirement is that you can integrate the other piece. So we can integrate e to the x. It's super easy. We can integrate this, and we can integrate this. So if you have those two conditions, one of them is eventually 0, you can integrate the other one, you can use tabular all day long. Let's go ahead and do an example. I'll make up a different one. Let's try, let's do x squared e to the 3x dx. I'll put a 3 there just to illustrate a point. Okay, so to use tabular, you first write down the piece you're going to differentiate. So I'll write it here, x squared. Then over here, we write down the piece we're going to integrate, e to the 3x. Okay, then you just start differentiating. So the derivative of x squared is 2x. So you write it below it. And then the derivative of 2x is 2. And then the derivative of 2 is 0. Boom. So you write down the one you're going to differentiate, and then you just do it. To integrate e to the 3x, you just keep dividing by 3. So it's e to the 3x over 3. Right? If you actually worked it out by hand, you would make a u substitution. But we're pros here. We just divide by 3. Boom. Divide by 3 again, you're going to get 9. And then divide by 3 again, and you're going to get 27. And then what you do is you start with plus always. Okay, so plus, minus, plus, minus. We're almost done. And then you just draw arrows. Boom. And you multiply, and that's the answer. So again, you write down the piece you're going to differentiate, and then just differentiate it. Write down the piece you're going to integrate, and then just integrate it. And then start with plus, minus, plus, minus. Always start with plus. Draw arrows. Follow the arrows. Let's write the answer down. So the answer is, so following the first arrow, I'm going to pull out that 1/3. So 1/3 x squared e to the 3x. And then, oh, this one's minus 2/9. So 2/9 x e to the 3x. And then plus 2 over 27. So plus 2 over 27 e to the 3x. And then plus c. Now I'm gonna pause here and check my answer because I did this kind of fast. Let me look here. So we wrote down the x squared, we differentiated. Wrote down the e to the 3x, we integrated, right? And then plus, minus, plus, minus. Draw the arrows. Boom. 1/3 x squared e to the 3x checks. Negative 2/9 x e to the 3x checks. 2 over 27 e to the 3x checks. Plus c checks. It's just fun to say checks. I hope this video has been helpful. You can do these the same way, right? You just integrate cosine 3x, and same thing here, you integrate sine x. In the videos that follow, you'll see more examples of tabular. You could have done parts here, right? But you would have had to do parts 2 times, so that's no fun. Here you'd have to do parts 3 times. Here you'd have to do integration by parts 5 times. So whenever you can, take the easy route and use tabular integration. I hope this video is helpful. Take care.